Hello friends! In this video I will show you how to configure pocket option robot. After installing the robot, select the purchase time and the deal amount. Now we can configure the pocket option robot. Choose the currencies that the robot will analyze. If the yield of the pair is lower than this value, the robot will not make deals. The maximum frequency of transactions. The robot will not make deals more often. Signal strength on different time frames. The robot will make a deal if it receives strong signals for a pair for 30 seconds, and a weak signal for 1 and 2 minutes. We set up the robot. Let's run it. The robot received signals and made a deal. We can turn off the robot. Not bad. The link to the robot is in the video description. Subscribe and like if you were interested. See you later.